me, baby, pull up at the Ritz Carlton. I'm just vibing in the Ritz Carlton.
So I got the new Travis Scott burger. Let's taste it. Whoa, it's lit. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
This is what 10 a.m. looks like in California. Please vote. I'm sorry, what?
Everybody hate who we just call them fans though. And like Practical news incoming! And like it hard with my baby. I just love the
I like your cut, G.
I like you. Won't give a
Pulling to McDonald's, see we finessing.
I have a Fortnite burger. No, Travis Scott.
You got him good, you got him good. I like your fit, man. Oh, you watching the concert?
Yeah, man.
All right, let's see what we got, let's see. Sheesh.
Alright, we got the taste test. Gotta drink the Sprite. Hey, yo, cuz, that meal was fire, man. Thanks for the milk cut. Hey, yo, one more thing. I like your cut, man.
Chapter 1 or 2?
Chapter 1.
Where are you going?
I don't know where to go.
Well, where are you?
I'm on the chapter 1, lesson 1.1.
You're gonna need it?
The first one.
Uh-huh.
The orgasm.
Organism.
Oh, yeah.
So on your screen,
I went to lesson 1.1.
you should be in lesson 1.1.
I'm there.
You should be in lesson 1.1. So on your screen, you're going to see Introduction to the Scale of Living Things.
Hey, Cactus Jack fucked me. This guy already knows we're coming up to him. He like sees the shirt that says Simp Patrol in the back. What else does he expect? Bro, you already know we're coming to you. I'm sorry. All of them just called, said you were simping, mad simping hard. Bro, just admit you're a simp.
Did you ditch on the boys to be here?
No, I don't have any boys.
Stop the cap, man.
I'm not, I swear. You trying to be the boys? What's your name? Juan. Juan what? Bautista. Say it right
Bautista.
now. My name is Juan Bautista and I'm a simp.
No,
Bro.
I can't.
Okay, you gotta say it or else you're gonna get fined. I'm not playing around. We could sit here all day. We have nothing else to do besides Simp Patrol. What's so funny?
I don't know.
He just feels attacked right now.
Thanks for being good sports.
My name's Juan and I'm a simp. Wait, hold on, say it to the mic.
My name's Juan and I'm a simp.
You heard it first here on Brock Murray's YouTube channel.
Travis Scott from Fortnite getting a burger at McDonald's. Do you guys realize what this means? Fortnite burger!
fuck about your boyfriend.
I was just kidding. Come on. Come on. You guys know I was just kidding, right?
Enough with the ear rape, guys. Here's a nice peaceful song for you to fall asleep to.
Thank you. Take this.
Go to Dunkin' and order the Charlie.
For you.
Hi, can I have the Charlie D'Amelio, please?
What size?
Oh, small. I love Charlie.
Oh my god, stop.
I love her.
Do you want anything else?
No.
You want a donut?
No, just a
Come on,
Charlie.
get it for Charlie.
Just Charlie, please.
Get a donut for Charlie. Yeah, dude.
Have you ever tried the Charlie?
It's not that good.
Oh my god! Charlie! Oh! Oh! I love you, Charlie! Oh. Oh, she's so good!
Oh my god.
Why?
I love Poland.
Shut up.
I don't driving by my car, and the road is not so far. Berlin, London, Moscow too. It's my love, I tell you true. When I came to Poland, I saw my car was stolen. It was my favorite truck. I said, fucking kurwa mać.
Hey, Jim? What's up? I'm updating the temperature on the weather app. Can you go ask Dave what the feels like temperature is? You got it. Thank you. What's up, Dave? I need the feels like temperature.
What are we at, 90? Nah, feels like 89.
Okay. You're not gonna believe it. What? What'd he say? He says 89. But it's 90. Why can't he just say 90? He says 89. Freaking Dave. I want his job. It's a hard job to get. Yeah, unless you're the boss's son. Freaking Dave. Thanks a lot, Dave.
It's up and stuck. Thought you can cross the game. What was you thinking of? Red coupe, roller coaster sound just like it does. These days I balance all the hate out with the love. These days I pour all of my pain out in a cup. It's just a side effect when you with us. Easy to dozens behind me, they don't.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom.
Websites where you can mess with AI, Part 1. A company called NVIDIA released an AI that creates super photorealistic images like you see on the right, just from crappy little drawings. All you have to do is select one of the things that you want, like a mountain or in this case water, and then the AI will do everything else for you. This is insanely powerful, and if you go on their website, you can mess with it too. Another website called AI Duet was an experiment created by Google to see if an AI can play piano. It works by taking the user's input and then trying to harmonize with it since it was trained by studying thousands of different piano melodies. All you need to get started with this is just your keyboard and mouse, and if you're like me and know literally nothing about playing the piano, it's still fun just to press random buttons and see what the AI comes up with, because it's programmed to try to make it sound good no matter what. And it can get pretty addicting pretty fast. And finally, Runway ML is an experiment created by Microsoft, where they tried to get an AI to generate images based solely off of the user's text. Now this works about as well as you would expect it to, since the AI doesn't actually know what you're typing, it's just guessing, but it's great for generating cursed images.
Do you see this? Those are not real credit cards. Those are not real credit cards. So for you to try to even swipe that, it's not even going to work because it's not a credit card. That's a game that you actually have. That's a game. This is like some shit that came out of like Barney or fucking Blue's Clues or some shit. That's not a real card.
What are you talking about?
Those are not real credit cards. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Look at the phone you got.
This is my phone. Why are you talking about my phone?
But you don't even use. Can you talk on that phone?
Yes, I can.
I will call. If you can call me on that phone, I'll buy this shit for you. No, call me on that phone. I want you to call me on that phone. Nah, call me on that phone.
This ain't you?
It ain't say nothing about you.
Hell no.
Did you dial any numbers on there? Did you dial any numbers? Dial a number on there. Girl, you got that shit?
Alright, let me have the Fortnite guy meal. The Fortnite guy meal.
The Travis got me on.
Not right now, bro. No patience.
I'm a big fan, bro. I listen to all your music.
What's your favorite song?
You did the box, right?
Fuck you, nigga.
Yo, I don't think y'all realize how fucking silly that just felt, asking for a Travie Patty. Somebody told me it was called a Travie Patty, dog. Fuck.
Dude, how do you feel?
I freaking hate this place. Dr. Douchebag is always late.
Hey, how's it going, big guy?
It's good, alright. I guess my mom freaking grounded me when he told her I vaped last time, so.
So, how's the frat life?
It's fucking awesome. Hype as fuck. Better than yours. Shot at 16 claws last time.
6? Probably not the best time.
I said 16, dude. I'm not a pussy.